So hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's ADERIYIKEYETUNDE. So your girl has class at 8 something, starts with an 8 o'clock to through 8:59, and according to my watch right here, I'm late. So I'm always rushing my intro. I have to stop. I have to start waking up a little bit earlier. But besides that, I was gonna do this over the top eyeshadow, full face glam, like prom 2019 type shit. But I was like, I want to wear my ash blonde hair today, and I don't want to do too much. I don't know what colors like clash. And can't you believe this hair is a year old? Like, but yeah, so I just did this simple ass natural brown smoky eye with the dramatic lashes is always a go. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and the tragedies that I went through for this makeup, keep watching. And I'm just gonna go run to class, even though I can't run because my foot's still semi-broken. I'll see you guys in the next video or the next clip, and thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if I said it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is 5:51, so I did wake up around like 5. Hello. Okay, so I did wake up around like 5, and I was gonna do like this extravagant ass eye look, but I wanted to wear my ash blonde hair today, which I'll tell you guys where it's from before I start this video, because I feel like people always ask me for my hair and I never speak about it. So this hair is from Unice. This was from like January, February of 2018. It was a honey blonde color if you look at my older videos, but then I ended up turning it like ash blonde because I was so tired of it. So this hair is about a year old, and it's a closure wig. I don't really care for baby hairs right now, and I'll probably darken the roots with some eyeshadow, straighten it before I go to class. But I did this simple ass smoky eye, so I'm about to just do it on the other side. It's about to be 6 in the morning. I have lab at 8, so I need to hurry up. I still need to straighten my hair, pack my bag, and also walk to class. So you guys want to see this simple ass smoky eye. I don't think I'm gonna have to talk in this video because I don't have low energy, but I also don't feel like talking. I have a lot of shows to catch up on, so
you know what I'm saying right now.
I'll show you guys the colors I'm using. I'm using the Morphe 35 02 palette. I'm gonna use this color as my transition, this color in my crease, and this color in the Juvia's Place palette, the Abby color that I always use to deepen it. And that's how I got this simple ass smoky eye. And then my lashes are from I don't know where my lashes from. I ordered it like a month ago, like a minute ago. I ordered off this girl on Instagram. So let's get to it.
Some more food, bruh. Dang. I'm thinking about my closet right now. Oh, I got some beef chips. You know what I'm saying?
Some chicken and rice today, sis.
Oh, bro, I forgot, bro. I wanted some cheese. No, bro, you're doing it wrong,
Might
bro.
be the way.
Cheese is the one that hit.
The way.
That's not funny.
And I'm gonna act my eyesight today because I don't feel like dragging everything and making it bigger than what it is. So we're gonna keep this pretty low. So your girl is stupid as hell and I don't know where I put my tweezers, so I'm gonna have to apply my lashes with my fingers, which suck because I have long ass nails and because I don't know where my tweezers are. So I'm gonna be running late as fuck because, oh my god, I stopped to do my hair. I stopped to like put on actual clothes and pack right back. I'm always late. Like, and this is lab, like I can't be late. I'm gonna miss my test. Alright, so this is done. Good luck, Charlie. I got a little eyelash glue. One of my eyes is always sleeping for a little bit longer than the other one, so that is why one of my eyes are really like low and the other one is like. So besides that, if you watch my Fenty review, I used a lot of Fenty and I just found out that's probably just gonna be my normal routine. So how do my fingers get this dirty? I'm using fucking brushes. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. So if you watch my Fenty review, which I'll leave down below, you know, like my second to last video, I've used all Fenty basically and it wasn't too bad. Maybe I have to tweak some stuff, but the time I have right now, trying to figure out my old routine for some foundation and concealer, it's not happening. So I'm just going to use the one that I already know is going to work fine. So this is my outfit for class. I always wear a hoodie, especially today I have 5 classes. You will not catch your girl in anything besides leggings and a hoodie, basically. I only have class 2 days out of the week, but there are 3 or more classes. So today I feel like having a super ultra smooth base. I use my Fenty primer, and I'm gonna use my jovial primer by NYX, which is like really like velvety and smooth because it's the winter time and I don't know, that's the closest to dewy I'm gonna get is a silk primer because dewy is not my thing at all, period. I'm gonna be using my Fenty powder to set my face. Two brushes and a dry ass sponge for my foundation because I don't feel like getting up and I just don't think I don't feel like getting up. Oh my god, I forgot my fucking heaters on. It's probably be loud as fuck. I don't feel like getting up and wetting my sponge, or nor do I think that it is beneficial for the Fenty foundation, so I'm just not gonna do it. I totally forgot my heaters on. You guys probably can't even hear me. I'm really pushing it with this thin ass layer of Fenty, so I'm about to just do a quick second layer. I'm about to have my makeup on for at least 12 hours, at least, and that's if I get out of class early. So can I should get out my face? I just wanna go to class. Thank you. 4:40. Just like my last video. I have to hurry the fuck up, like. And turn on the straightener. My heat is probably blasting so fucking high you can't even hear me. I have to stop cursing. I'm about to start multitasking because sis, is not even on. What's going on? And I'm gonna use fawn right on top of it. I'm not even gonna do 2 layers. Actually, I'm gonna use fawn, and I'm gonna also use the white color. What is this color called? Porcelain. I'm gonna use porcelain to highlight. Sheesh. I'm gonna use porcelain to highlight. Because I'm not blending this out too much.
The grocery store right around the corner. I'm turn on some like the lights. There we go. Right now, yeah, that's it's literally right down the street. Yeah, you gotta turn around. Corona, welcome to the block. Corona, welcome to the Monday P. Corona. Hey, Corona gang, what's going on? Corona next up.
I think my curve's crooked. Alright, so this is basically my finished look. I have a little bit of time to spare. I don't have to rush the outro or the intro. But this is basically it. So I told you guys about my hair, I told you guys about my makeup. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I'm about to go past this lab, the chem lab. I'm in love with chemistry, that's my major. So I'm really happy to wake up and get ready for 5 classes today. The first one being 8:30. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.